Morning, Mr. Hyde. You there early though, Mr. Hyde. Mr. Hyde there do some work cause I one thing with him. He maintain the apartment and he keep the apartment well clean and look good. So big up Mr. Hyde, the man who makes sure so the apartment keeps flashing, dashing. So you know it's a girl team, her. And today we are got airport. So today vlog is about my subscribers, family, them who came from the United States of America to come and visit me and come look for me. I got a few gadgets from them. I must shout out to them and tell them thanks. Mr. Patrice, Mrs. Patrice, Miss Patrice. Sorry. Now I feel out nothing. Miss Patrice, don't stop the video, my video man. My bad man husband. My legal bad man husband. Yes, Miss Patrice, I just want to give you a big public thank you for all the gadgets, them, my microphones. Let me have my microphone. I say my microphone on. Yeah, my microphone on. Make me think them sound professional. Thank you for my tripod, my iPhone them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My sister in America, I'm not gonna call her name, but thank you very much. It has been a wonderful experience. As I'm telling you, you have good Belizean people. You have good Belizean people, and you really have some demonic one. Some of them who is so evil that them hold on to things and manipulate them own mind for hate you and say how you do. No, me not doing nothing. My words is my truth. You can't bully me from speaking my truth. You understand me? And because you don't listen with understanding, I don't know the word communication. Because the things that I'm soon highlight and I run up in the media and gone on people life. Only never have anything valued and substance. Can I come out with my receipt? What me do with my life? Or my 360 my life with the help of Father God. And how I listen to mighty Jesus. How I know that I'm not supposed to come on the media and bring down the body. I just use it an example of making bad choice in life. And somebody who did that and still she out in her media, fuck, and skin out her underneath. Go check her profile. You understand me? And who no Belize and who don't have any morals, any values, and self-worth, who do anything to be on social media, go up on our life, I want to go out in the bag and say, that have nothing to do with me. Listen to me. Positivity, love. Make your family respect you. Let your family speak words that show you in good manner. Do right things. So when them say I'm a daughter that, them can say my daughter get pregnant and drop out of school and she go back to school and this is who she is now. Can't make people go talk about what recommendation come with. Just fuck. Just leave them put your back and skin out. Come on now, and they on the media, oh, taps and roses. Me not forget on TikTok go get no taps and roses. Because I'm with a real man. My husband is a real man. He's a protector, he's a provider, he's a leader. He never asked me to submit to him. I voluntarily find myself be submissive to this young man. That's I feel good for calling my husband. I'm proud of him. That's what make me my husband compatible. Him alone can make my click jump. You know, find a man that make a click jump. Yes, my husband. My good dark skin, muscular, tattoo body husband. What more me fi look for? Mama, if you're still searching, me don't, my when I put in my name, it mark found Mrs. Nunes. So when I run out on the media, run blood clot good. So God bless no man curse. No weapon that form against me shall prosper, and every tongue that rise up against me shall put to condemnation. Because if God is for me, fuck who is against me. That me I telling you in the media. Big up the people them out there who do the right thing. Big up the queens them who hold up them head high. Big up the true mothers them who love them kids and protect them own. Not bring disgrace and scandal to your picnic brethren. Big up the females them who believe in a morality, who wants to have a man, not a boy figure, not broken boys who kick a tantrum. Whenever there's supposed to be a conversation that separate the man from the boys and the bitches from the girls. Do the research, man, and come back again. It's a girl Timar. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. Like, share, and subscribe. All if you don't like me, like the video. Boom. Just let a mess but a while ago say, you know, the people like when they are reasoning at the car. So we're on our way to airport. This is my van key. This is mine's. I see my husband there drive. So when them going to media and say my husband borrow a loan for my vehicle for me, make sure I have no receipt and the information correctly. You understand me? We borrowed $10,000 from the bank and we use that $10,000. I flick that $10,000 there. Yeah, man. I have my own business that I created as I show up on the live. They put it back in their back, and me and my husband come up with the flag logo with the two flags, them the Belizean and the Jamaican flag, them combined together, right? I'm a buy blender. My husband invest in me. I will buy the blender because he believes in me. He believes in my dreams and he believes in what I am doing, right? And then buy the two blender them, I will blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. I will make a juice, I will jump our bike, right? I will go sell them. We got some pager. We go down grid that too, right? Yeah, yes, we can tell her you already. Can me know me not. I remember when him trim your ear that I got bag on him. We got creation cuts, we got Russian. Alright. Yes. Because he spoke about it. Yeah. And the man said it tastes good. Him say what do you want him depend on the other vlog. Him said me for make them and carry them come make him distribute them for me. You understand me? Naked Chicken, the guy who own it, Chef Lindsay, Ainsley, yeah. Right? Him like it, him taste it, and him tell me say, I for carry them come make them. May have people from San Pedro want me to distribute them. I'm gonna make them and distribute them all over the country. So as a woman, when you're going on man life, what the purpose of you? It can't just be for lay down by your back. It can't just be for have baby and then you feel like that is the only thing you have to offer. No, you breed poverty. Me and my husband start from humble beginning. But tell you no, on 2 burner gets over 2 or 3 burner. Yeah. Right? We start at 2 grain of rice or half a mackerel. Yes. But when my husband decided, so we're gonna do this, I stand 10 toes from blood clot business. And that them for coming at the media come talk about. See? This is one key. See them? This is one key. And that's my husband driving. So when you not spread rumors and then I media, make sure you can blood clot come out on a receipt. I'm leaving you and give you the first round. I was so disappointed to see how many Belizeans run over there. I never tell them so them here already yet. I never. Every time we pass that food shop here, baby. Remember the girl that try convince me to fuck on my husband. She will have a rent house. She want the man on the over. You understand? I'm gonna ask me why me tell a man say me have a man. What you mean by? Me not single. I mean now I can't tell nobody say me single. From the day me enter in a Belize and sleeping at the jail cell at Ladyville police station, when this man come back and I was outside, I was taken. He never give no other boy a chance for not too much talking with me. He just said, get over here. My husband didn't even ask me, can you marry me? The man that just sign the paper here for me, please and thanks. I'm say yes, sir. That was just it. So, I don't know about uno. I settle my good pussy self one place. And if a dollar will have, all and they give them a job. No come. If a dollar him have, trust me, we make that dollar they work. Yeah, man. Must spin that. Good morning, darling. You're so welcome. Must spin that dollar there and make it work. If you're not catching my video, I'm not pass my video, I'm not edit to no auto, no go, no hide on yourself. Eh, I'm a YouTube vlogger, I'm a content creator, so me I do a video. So, I'm not listen. Oh my God, 5 minutes and 38 seconds. I'm not cut it out. All right, we just come by airport road. I will see two nice workers. I pick them up. I'm give them a drive and I drop them at airport. I like independent and hardworking ladies. I love the man them who work to put bread, honest bread on the table. So I tell them shy for the camera. I don't know what I'm to Belizean people, but yeah, them shy for camera. So I tell them hide back at the seat. Them coming out edit out my video. I'm sorry. See that 6 minutes and 9 seconds. I'm sorry, I'm not edit it out. So if you don't know what in it, please stand there, sit down behind the seat, and they are doing just that. So we're on our way to airport to surprise my second mother because I have a couple mothers. I have one birth mothers, but I have mothers that adopted me. Yes, and loves me, look out for me, mentor me, help me with my healing process, and I've been a light, a beacon of light and hope in my life. That is the reason why I'm gonna be a beacon of hope in other young traumatized females and young traumatized males who would want to open up and speak to me about any situation, and I can give them a good advice. I can't tell them no go fuck. Not me. And I will never sit down and have a conversation with nobody against them parents. No. That's not my style, that's not my program. You understand? So don't know it's a girl Timar. I'm a Jamaican living in Belize, and my platform and my vlog is about positivity, love, and the whole experience of me being a Jamaican living in Belize and what the experience is like. Some is bad, a lot is good, and I'm just living. You understand me? I'm not okay with everything going in our bellies, but it's not my business. So I stay out, I stay far, and I withdraw my presence from what is going on. I'm not touch on politics topic. That's not my business. I'm not going on people's business. I'm staying in my house, my work, I create my own business and do what I gotta do to make sure that I can stand beside my husband as a good wife, not just a fuck mate, and my husband get the love, the support, the respect, the motivation. I can provide that for him, and that's what I do every day. Yeah, still the dumpling. Steam fish. Okra. Steam fish and okra. The soup. The soup. You name it. Yeah, I'm not just being fried jack. No. You understand? Okay, I'm gonna jump out right now. They're gonna come out too, and they're gonna go and park the vehicle. So we are at the airport. So let me see if I'm gonna find my mother. We're at the departure line now. So let me go and search for mother. She's on a 10 o'clock flight. Shit. And also my rest of subscribers them. Right, so baby, where you go? Departure. Where you go? Thank you. Okay, darling. Everybody at the parking lot. May I tell you? Yeah. Departure land. Some husband gonna park the vehicle. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We're at Philip Goldsmith Airport. Oh, Another one. It's a departure. Cooper Airline. Sure. It's a true go with so. Hi. Wagwan. Alive. She's gonna vex somebody. I'm a big bad see. Uh, that, oh, this is arrival, departure, the other part. The next second, I say, no, it doesn't look like the departure part. Yeah, because never me have some subscriber fly out back today when they come link me. And me I bring people down the country. No, I saw hello, morning baby. I saw couple of the youth them were clean the plane them and stuff like that. And they'll be like, hey, can you bring me go to the road? And they must say, yeah man, no problem. And they'll be like, hey, we watch your vlog, we this, we that, everything. Lord Jesus, I really suffer. My husband carry me. No, sir. We up at the, no man. Morning, baby. Yeah, they said that them clean the plane. Morning. When I fly out today, them a jump on a flying and gone for rain. Gone for me, say them gone for rain. Security! Gone for me, say them gone for rain. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. I hope for birthday. Big up everybody who's sharing a birthday today. Yeah. Morning, darling. I'm looking for my mommy. Woman is tired. 10 o'clock flight reach it? 10 o'clock flight reach it? 10 o'clock flight reach? 10 o'clock flight. No, I'm saying if 10 o'clock flight reach already. Morning, blessing, blessing. Hello. Where is my peoples? One mother there. Me can't see. My mother and she on a 10 o'clock flight. I'm in the airport looking for my mother. I'm gonna see her. I walk up on the whole airport and look for her. Which one my husband park now? Sometimes I'll be walking in my camera and sometimes people just screw up them face like, see me, he work at airport, big up him. So just like if I work now, come here when they work actually on Sunday too. Big up yourself now. You know I'm proud of you, right? Don't stop it. You have to motivate the youths them to do the right thing. You see me? You was 17, You remind me of my son. Some I have 4 kids, 2 girls, 2 boys. My son is 19 last month. And I say him work hard. That's why when my area taught me, I say, yeah, go and do the right thing. We like when the youths them focus on what they do from an early stage. What your name? Amari. Big up yourself and keep your job. Don't follow bad company. Do the right thing. Be one of the good Belizean them. We represent Belize proud and loud in a good way. Alright? And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't ramp with me, you know. Oh, alright. Same to you, baby. When I see my mother, what she dey know like me. I want them to say me wake up the whole airport. 10 o'clock. Me I walk up and down in the airport, I look for Miss Patrice. I kind of have a down feelings because me never come catch my mother before she go up on the flight. She already board the flight and in the plane. So I'm not really jalopy happy. Because the young lady said, one of the agencies said that I should have come here from 7 o'clock because she's on a 10 o'clock flight and then lock off the counter from 9:20. However, 9:20, she already gone around at the back. So by the time me come, she already gone around at the back for go up on the plane, for board the plane. So me not get to see her, so that not make me so perky. Cause no me the want hug her up and tell her thanks and appreciation and stuff like that. So we are going to stop in at one of them shop here, body aboard them flights. Hey, good morning. I am Tamara. I'm a Jamaican and I live in Belize. She said she watch some movie. Me no know she watch it and I just pop up on her screen. So me know she watch it. But she's one of the workers for me never look at your sign. Coastline. Coastline? Coastline too. Okay, me never look out. You see, baby? Uh, Coastline too gift shop. Never look. Because as me tell you no, me never get to see my mother. Never get to hug her. Never get to kiss her. So I'm in perky like I used to. And I don't know where I put on my mic a while ago. Because I think we have a two mic in my hand. However, so what you gonna do for me is tell the people them about some of your the products them and stuff like that because I my vlog my platform I do promote Belize and business local businesses anything pertaining what is beneficial for Belize and of Belize and products by Belize. So I see you have a lot of stuff. So you can just show the people and tell the people a little about what is it, what them can come buy when them leave the country. This is the opportunity for you to promote your gift shop and everything about it. Hey, you know the platform is international, so tell the people them please and thanks. Right. Why me not bother Mike, you know, because you're gonna be low up on the channel. This man say in some upon a vlog from April, that is 6 months ago. And that's why no one come for my vlog. The man, me know what how am I doing now, cause you don't hurt my feelings. You hurt my feelings. Yeah, because you see me on a vlog 6 months ago, and the vlog was about you man, where the woman them would take a things, and they would add a man and take a for idiot. And
I'm not agree. I'm not agree the vlog. I'm like the vlog. I'm not the vlog.
Because, all right, a lot of person, especially females, are brushed by it. And I'm saying, if that was not exposed to me, I couldn't say what I
But you said
said.
facts. You said like facts where they don't want here. So I'm like it.
Because, all right, even if you don't want to hear it, that doesn't mean you can't hate me.
Yeah.
I don't think you should hate me because at the end of the day, you don't want to hear it. Brush it off.
That's true.
Move on.
True.
Make it go on.
True.
Because you don't like it. But the moment you stick on it, that means you actually like it. You're offended by it.
Yeah.
But it still eats something inside of you. You have a conscience and it bother the conscience. Because listen to me. I have bad experience and that's why I have video on because I want to understand say people like Uno still in a Belize who is polite and nice.
Thank you.
I don't want to stereotype the whole of Belize. And that's why I create my own vlog. Because I have bad experience with Belizean people.
Right.
But I'm still gonna work upon you, girl like she, who change the narrative there.
Appreciate it.
Because I'm a Jamaican, I feel like I am stereotyped. When I came inside the airport and I saw that my passport was Jamaican,
I know you said something about the
yes,
whole like the more bribe.
right, and that rubbed me the wrong way. As a Jamaican, I say it more than one time. At the first experience
So
that
the whole go on movie me and I said extortion yeah though.
you understand me? So that's why I do the vlog to give Belizean an opportunity to say, okay, there's a mistake that happened. And not everybody in a Belize is like that. Because Belize and I make it look like I tell a lie. If I did tell a lie, them could understand what they must say. But I wasn't telling any lie. You understand me?
I agree with that. I see something else. I'm listening to a video of men. And you said something else about how much easier to get
Rich at Jamaica.
rich Jamaica.
All right.
Because Jamaica more. No, that I'm not because Jamaica more mainstream. Jamaica more like
Why you did a listen and you listen with sense? Make I put it. You have a girlfriend? Jesus, me not gonna give you away to one Jamaican woman, but nah bother. Miss, if I hear a man, me not give him away. Miss, stay with him. He has potential. If you have the right to man, you're gonna be a millionaire. Looking at my big face. You see, if him have the right to man, him no broke. All you want is a good woman for spend the $2 where you have and flip it. Talk the truth, I tell me, I tell. Listen to me. If you have a woman and come, you just pum pum alone, my friend, you're gonna lead. You understand? But when you look on the statistic, we are internationally 3.8 million. Just imagine 3.8 million people are walk past a shop here and stop in at the shop here. You find it, baby? Okay. Just imagine that. Make I start the camera and give back the cameraman in camera. More you talk intelligent and represent Belize. Come, friend.
all I'm going to say is
I'm speaking to somebody who is very highly intelligent and full of information. See him, him should have represent Belize or maybe I do the first interview on the April. You can't do interview with people when I have no information and no knowledge. It send it off bad. And them say me I bring on Belize. You have to interact with people who are informed. Because if you listen to him, we can chip off information. And at least him can stand up for Belize. Very informative. And because the reason why Belizean attacked me like that is because the girl didn't have any information. Who did I do the vlog? So it looked like me attack Belize.
Yeah.
Because even when I ask her son a question, she don't have any knowledge.
Right.
Watch this.
Ignorance is bliss, no?
Thank you very much. Remember say Jamaica monetarized, you know that, right?
Yes.
Is Belize monetarized?
No. Not really to that extent. I mean Jamaica they take a lot by I think that we're Asia country, so Asia country China, right?
Yeah.
Like basically build up Jamaica, make it more developed and stuff like that. And
why you do research? Come babe, I like that interview. I like this.
Yeah, and all I'm gonna say is like the more it easier, but it harder to maintain because like in terms of your income, the
Right.
harder the more um mainstream franchise like the whole KFC and the
Burger
whole
King.
Burger King and all of that main franchise expensive, and the more you have all that, the more income have, the more you need to rejuvenate the income there, and the money go fast. So yeah, I get the money quick,
But
but
it got
going
done.
quick.
Thank you
So
very
and that's
much.
the same thing in the US. That is the same thing almost.
So it's like you have to get it from early, you have to be
Yeah,
working.
yeah,
And that
really.
was what I was trying to
Yeah,
explain on the interview.
yeah,
So Belize is more calmer.
yeah,
Jamaica is like living in Jamaica, baby girl, is like you still live in the States.
yeah,
So you see artists in a Belize are very talented, but they're not driven for work
yeah,
hard
yeah.
because there's not enough competition.
Right, right, right,
You
right.
understand me? So when I made the statement again, because we'll touch on some things when I say, because him watch a vlog. So at least him can pick up back on what I say, because most people did not watch a vlog. Them just take out the piece what she take and cut it and put it on Facebook and run with that.
Right, right, right,
You
right, right.
understand me? So I'm glad they actually watch a vlog. So we and my prayer for actually find somebody who did watch the vlog so them can go and do a research to say you're wrong right there, so you're
Mm-hmm.
right there, so you're wrong because ignorance. You can't have conversation with an
Yeah,
ignorant
yeah,
person.
yeah, yeah.
Am I lying?
That's true. That the same thing with Charles Kirk made a try though. We get the ballet who did here the states, so they shot in the states. Yeah, he made
You
try have a
can't
debate
have a
with
conversation, debate with ignorant people.
yeah,
Cause first them look at it as you put them like them dunce and them
yeah,
fool.
yeah,
But
yeah.
it's not dunce and fool, it's
They try
because
and
you're
inform it.
lack of
Yeah,
information. So you cannot express your views without being a battlefield. Just as if you're there with a girl and she not informed about what relationship is about, you trying to assist her to climb to the level for her to be valued in your life.
right.
She see it as you are put her down, you are bash her, you are biniclar, but she not understand say,
Get the educator.
thank you very
Yeah,
much.
get the
Because
educator.
Jamaica care 3.8 million people,
Right, right, right.
right? That is the reason a franchise can take the tax and pay it.
Yeah,
Because them have people feel work
right,
and bringing back the money.
right. And I like the mainstream at every Caribbean um country.
Did you know that I did a research? Is
Want
5 million tourists come through Jamaica every year
yeah,
and more?
yeah.
I did
You know
my
what
own
what throw me
research.
out when anytime I you travel abroad, they ask you if the
Where you
Jamaican,
come from?
yeah, because
It,
we talk
same
Creole,
language.
yeah.
No, I saw an interview where they were doing comedian Dale.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You
yeah,
see, don't
yeah,
you?
yeah.
And Dale
Say
said,
Belize,
Belizean
yeah,
imitate
yeah.
Jamaican the
Yes, yep,
best.
yep, 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 yep,
I saw that
yep,
interview.
yeah.
Every,
Yeah.
so you
Oh,
see,
sorry.
you see,
Yeah,
it's not an one way I would say it's not right. I think Belize need to stand on them own and represent and stand for Belize.
right,
You
right, right,
understand me?
right.
Don't try to be Jamaican. Don't try to be Guatemalan. Be
Remember,
Belize.
remember, right now, I feel like on a whole, no, not I mean, not a Belizean, so I could talk my shit, but we kind of did a identity crisis, man. Like I didn't think they teach certain stuff, like when I was teaching back in the days, about like Antonio Sabaranis and other Lee stuff there, like back in the days, and I feel like we just there at that point, we don't know who.
And that's
Yeah, we want to imitate everybody when me and she. Yeah,
you ever say
yeah.
Jamaica that try imitate nobody yet?
No, no, no.
Boy, we our bumbo clock them come out
Yeah,
raw.
yeah, right.
And at the White House.
Uno proud, uno deep, like no matter what, uno proud.
We not give a fuck.
Yeah,
You ever see elephant man yet? What the
yeah,
elephant man there?
yeah,
And the award with the big yellow ear and
yeah,
red ear. I
yeah.
don't know who that energy god.
Energy God,
And
yeah.
that's what I'm saying. So Belize and being arrogant towards what I said. I'm just trying to inform you people that
Right.
listen. Brother, we not last back a time,
Yeah, that's right. I know this. I know like we do this back at all
Jamaicans
also.
don't know about Belize. And me go on TikTok
Yeah,
and speak about Belize.
yeah,
When me go on me attempt say, where that there? You know how Jamaicans really know about Belize? Belize?
yeah.
Americans, Jamaicans in American tell them about Belize. and link them with immigration in a Belize for traffic for coming to America.
Oh shit.
No, tell me, I tell you.
Oh.
That's all Jamaicans know about Belize.
Okay. We don't like our transport system.
No, them vex and say, oh, no, go come here for going and say, no. Uno introduce it to us so we can come through here. Yeah. Uno? Yeah. So we're going to take it. Let me tell you something. You see, Uno will live in a Belize and we live in a Belize. They say, if Jamaica they live here, so Belize empty. Tell me, say, because if we come from where, Jamaica?
No, and I said, like I said, Jamaica done up there with the whole mainstream crowd and we don't come here, we don't really got nothing else. Like a lot of people like Koya as if we got like, oh my god, you guys have Walmart, you guys have you know, we're not we got Golden Bear, we got Broadies. We're not there. It's the same thing, but we're not there yet. That is the whole thing.
And that's why I said to them, you can't come at me and say me I bring down Belize. Me just as Sean said the pace need to step up.
Yeah. It's a good and a bad to the whole progression process. It's like,
you want something, darling? We can pause it for you come shop. We can pause the video for you to shop. Alright, now you understand? And that's why when I live here, because me and my husband have bad experience even at the airport. Where I invite people here.
You're Belizean, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Me couldn't dare if people them kick me out long friend reason with me.
No, maybe you're like do citizen, I don't know. Maybe you are like okay.
Immigration call commanding officer call.
You know, maybe he gonna maybe he got Jamaica passport and he get his dual citizen. Yeah, be there for bro. Police. Okay.
And he when I invited my family here, he was because he's a police at the uniform.
Okay.
And immigration.
That's the thing, so I forgot like something. Yeah.
Immigration I call security for put him out.
Oh shit.
And my husband attacked 2 times. I was just asking her why you put the young man in the room.
Yeah.
Why you deny him entrance? Because remember me, I invite him here. I have to know why, because at the end of the day, he's going back to Jamaica with that.
Yeah.
And that is going to give Belize a bad impact. You get to me and say, so really?
You must second, bro.
No problem. I like people feel comfortable. My mom did have a style, and trust me, you can't come off your style and buy something when me done with you. All if you don't want.
Right. That's anything.
I remember one guy say, I know say me come at the salon, me don't want nothing but me just come to talk to you.
Yeah.
Because him say me know you're gonna make me laugh and go work and the whole day.
Laugh.
Did that work at 24/7 for about 3 weeks. The 3 weeks I'm there, the whole gas station full every day. People see me, man see me in the city and tell me say, me no want gas it up. But to me the Jew girl over there, me a go. Why my husband different?
It's about move. You talk to my lady for.
Like a manayard. Somebody tell him say one Jamaican girl over there. And when me dip on the pump and then drive up, I'm like, I say, how much the gas? Man, so I say, yo, me never have asked. So I turn and come around and look. No, he's a Jamaican because me dress up. I say, me I work. Boy, me dress up and talking. Man, catch up my ear. Boy, them say, Belize just come and work anywhere in the business. Me?
Yeah.
Not man, me put on my eyelash friend. When say, when me there work, and that just we. That's just we as Jamaicans.
That's why I want to burn down the spot because you have called top notch for left that home, go check up that work. That was he the try to tell you.
Yo, like, and trust me, y'all go left spending your money, feel good to your spend. Because I'm gonna make sure you get a good quality service. And that's why when I go into other person's space and see how them behave, I'll be like, no, you have
to. You like it so far, like since you transitioned from
Jamaica to Belize?
Yeah.
You know, I had to slow down my brains for settle in a Belize, and enough people, if I speak about it, them get offensive. No.
Yeah.
When I was in Jamaica, I had my kids them early. So that made me have to work overtime.
Right.
To make sure say, yo, the youths them good and whatever.
I had that shit mama too. She don't know later, but yeah, we
No, me know
understand
say
you.
she ain't a woman car. Yes. So being for that, because at one point I was working on a radio station. I was working at a circuit because I'm a licensed. Yeah, man, I have a lot of stuff. Because I get pregnant,
I know
that doesn't mean
you do your own nails though?
no, no, no,
Okay,
no.
okay.
I don't do nails. I do hair.
My
Me do eyelash.
my
Lady,
yes, later.
she's a nail tech.
She's a nail tech.
Big up she,
That's a
entrepreneur.
genius.
Which part she located?
Right now, Ladyville, yeah.
Right now,
Right, Ramon Plum.
the MoneyGram there.
Yes, up on the monogram, right
Oh,
beside her monogram.
okay, so big her up, wanna go support her.
That's a genius,
Our
yeah.
boyfriend, a big her up, her husband, her fiance. When do not get married, tell me something. I like it, change my spirit, comedy sad because the person who come to see them, so me have to come from 7 o'clock, I should up on a 10 o'clock flight. So me I call her know exactly when so me get ready, blah blah, jump on so me I come and reach at 20 past 9, she already boarded it. So that the she our kids them, our daughter is a teacher,
Okay.
and spend a day with them. So go up on my vlog, go up on
Right.
my channel, man, and please subscribe.
I will.
And
Uh-huh.
when we go down, let me spend a day with them, and she treated me. I can't complain. It was a good experience. She brought some of my gadgets, my phone, my tripod,
That's
earphone. People, right there, I'm sure no. So you see, and everybody eat me in a Belize. I mean, subscribe. Right. So, big up your girlfriend. Yeah, man, I could just say, go in a lady field. Yes, go support. Go. Don't worry yourself because your boyfriend. Yeah.
Alita, but just
So Alita, I will be coming to do my nails because you tell me subscribe. So guess what? I always do that every day. Stop talking about the interview like
like just share loves that too. How about
they make it look like I slow something bad about Belize. Informing you guys, highlighting things that needs to be focused on.
I could to everything.
Man, I don't like promote business for Belize, and that's why I said I definitely circle your girlfriend, make she do my nails, and then have a day where video from persons. My nail tech is a young man. Good at it. I can find females in Belize that do nails. I like to take them in them shop.
Okay.
Time them drop off,
Right.
stuff like that.
Well, not
So I'm gonna try your girlfriend and see what she can give me a review. People don't want me to give constructive criticism. When I speak the man them in Belize is because I'm a Jamaican and how I see how Jamaican males and you don't have maybe put it as 60% of Jamaican males was brought up in a nuclear family. The father is not they're very aggressive. Everything it's more aggression and cheating and them highlight it like it's good. So when I speak, yeah, it's like what Beanie Man says, a man for girl and girl in a bum girl from. You understand me? And the tradition of Belize where no man I true most people whenever them see the camera a certain type of way. So that's why as we see you have to try and act as if the camera go upon them, it's a big crime. Yeah. Yeah, and they portray that. So if I see a video on Facebook where elephant 38 pick me, but him says someone want a female, but then we'll just own them. Not like some of them really have a 24 pitney. How you maintain? Because me I tell you, enough of them pitney there don't know you. Enough of them pitney there. Especially if you. So these are kids that adults who lack a love, emotionally unavailable. I am in Belize. I see a man like you who can represent a girl. Say you're a good man. I see man. I'm telling you, I see man where living and care about Belize and female because feed them mother teach them for they with a man have picked and got family court. You know how much woman me turn back from girl? Me husband mother came got court 9 months and 9 months me stand up a family court and talk to females and tell them, it don't make no sense. You're not hurting you. You're not hurting the father. You're hurting the child. I know a Belize and about it on my live last night where she with the baby father, she said she had a baby father in the day. No, a youth come from Jamaica and the girl take the fucking food what the baby father provide for him, pick them, put it in a plate and carry and get it Jamaica. And that me off. So you see when I speak of when I see the young man, she tell me the story like as she go for the visa, them the America. So she get the visa and go to America and take another man. And I pity them don't have a visa.
They got Jamaican song too. When nobody say them girl are wicked.
Them wicked. I don't. But the thing about it, is the fact that you pity them dirty and them. Some may say, only can't have 3, 4, 5 man. Yet still only now think about and board house. Me I see concrete house. Me I see if you like salon. That not on them mind. My husband work at the club them. A man them got the club a fight over. Priority them they wrong. But them vex when me talk. Woman, Belize and woman. Policeman work and get enough money. And when we
nobody want to go have it dog. Open up the bank. Open up the bank.
And when me and her go look out, me and her charge you like that and she drive at we drive now. And when I go for look for the house for rent, she tell me to tell the man who own the house. So you see when me talk on the vlog, oh Belize is
I could see that happen without the day.
they come in my house with them dirty lifestyle and me have them say girl, I'm 30.
But listen. When I want
no, like the Matrix, the man that tries to pick the.
That's why.
You fuck up if you want fuck up.
But I never call nobody name, you know. But them blood clot, man. Remember me a Jamaican. Never call anybody name.
Right.
A girl at Jamaica use her as an example, not to go down that road. So boy, you so much belly go over the life.
Right.
When the girl do the vlog and she put a clip on Facebook, the Belize and Jamaican woman said it's easier to get rich in Belize, which is she put a target on my head. For Belize and people attack me.
You feel like, you know.
And then, yeah, like me. And when you go in there, the man gone for my husband Facebook I tell him, oh, somebody will bring down. They're like, girl, just don't let me tell you go suck him, madam. Because platform, we share the platform then, so we can go up on your platform and comment and you can come from my style.
Yeah, man, I'm going to wait for you so that.
Yeah, man, suck him, madam, I'm not afraid to give them. Tell them they are carnival, jump on legacy, love and unity, enjoy. A woman that go say me, a woman. If you never fuck it, why that fuck you? This is what me ask so if you don't fuck it, want to vex for?
Like I said, it does come back to the same question I asked. Why try?
Me not try to make them move on 6 months ago.
Okay.
Just because them a troll me with it.
Yeah. I get you.
I
I mean, people are
them say if you're petty me, and Jamaica me come from.
yeah.
If you go low, hell,
Yeah.
that's just aggressive, we attack things immediately.
How far I want.
Jamaicans will bring it there.
Yeah.
Remember we get the fastest man in the world? If you never know what history, me get investigated beat you remember at the time Tyson was the man in the world. Boy tell him say I come back to the next one. So you say boy that part that's how you got the signature.
Okay.
We point. Cause you. If we don't know you will make up story. Vibes Carter tell us I'm the greatest storyteller.
You talk about in a song or fire?
In a real life. Don't make John cuss you.
Alright.
We story boy you. And what we tell that the whole as so when the girl like you know look on the Belize and then like jump over there. Oh Ray, she go like she and she was listen at husband man.
That's what you feel like.
Alright. My intent is for as a Belizean. The artists them focus on the craft as a Belizean. Come together as a Belizean.
They have to focus on their craft and stop and the lyrics they don't make no sense.
As you do not have an international. The other day I got a KTV show and didn't know some of them. And when the host realized something in the say, Belizean got that roll off on the shoulder. You say if me the answer him, and then I'm going to look at me and tell him, say, in the car. And I'm like, bro, you just do that. I go at Christopher Martin show and hear the old mic where him don't know say the old rumpus. I said, Uno Belize and I come from the States. I don't want to come up in the crowd. I like me tell husband. And outside. And I'm like, why would you? And this people that come from the States. Can the people that are outside the coast? So you see Belize and people think before them talk. That a fuck. Need to think. Every action there is a reaction. My husband and his baby mother was together and she moved out and still expecting for still one. Like I mash up them and she moved out, you know. She didn't know the formula to help me what him have because the mother is a teacher. When him feel Spanish, she give him a 3 to go back in a blood clot college go that. So I don't even want to know you have to go back. Big up my mother-in-law, Carla. Him father work at the water place down at Dangrila. Marital home. So both parents was in the home. Sister, 5, 26. I didn't know my sister age. She registered. She done college quick. Big up him brother, I studied to be a doctor. Him done being a nurse. So when the baby mother get She never see say this is a quality man. A mother and father create the generation, you know. Sit down and him mother expect sit down with her pity them and groom them and love them.
Poultry.
Eh?
Quality poultry.
She got him, she act as if the man in a body and you know. No, she and him they together 4 years. He didn't leave the baby. She one upon him, you know, the enemy told she a baby. Broke and she not have the father for spin coming and go to school, you know. So at the time I work at call center and she have 2 other kids that is needs.
Yeah.
So you see older than him.
Yeah.
So for him poor little money where my work, it now spin and house. Do you think your mother would have okay with that?
Hell no. Definitely not.
But them not see that. She not find a white man child in Mexico. He did. And this one I tell you, and I will get married. I don't know what go on the marriage, but like she come back wanting for day with her.
So we got
No, she moved the child and Mango Creek consent and judge give visitation rights. But them not talk about this in the media. Father and him at this and the Jamaican sugar nose in a wash. Me still lie boy, them a rock down my husband. Them not a receipt. This is the second vehicle. This is my key. Show me your key, husband. Take care and show him. We'll start from humble beginning.
Yeah. I like it.
So when she Mama, not for only life, only not fit to be a mother, only not fit to be a girl.
Alright, I like when not a Jamaican qualities, but overall what is woman
About Jamaican or woman.
what are some
First thing to do is deal with them trauma. Persons, both male and female, are molested by either them father, them cousin, neighbor, a friend of the family. Can't open up to anybody and speak. Because if they do, them feel shame. Something that the world make up with demons. You have to fight that mentally first. You have to be mental. Because me when you say, oh, but I just tell myself I'm stand firm at the rock at Gibraltar. Because guess what? Because if me weak as a mother, see right in the sun. So first, before them be a woman and a wife, them have to deal with them. You have to sit down and search self. Because I'm a good man.
we were talking about quality.
Try not one, but because when you have a reason with her, leave that blood clot. She tell herself because of the trauma that she has been through. So that's a main factor where you need to deal with. Did you know that? Go. Yeah. So if you run a incarcerated, I had my last child in prison. That's then my son, my big son, because help me open a lot of doors. From me for I don't know about so I in the wrong places then you know I have for some reason 13 indeed the father when me I look Saturday my big brother tell me say my father take care of your sister because I told him that take care. He did not do that. Me struggling out there I try to find you know from people but at one point as I'm trying right I on TikTok them need and skin out for followers
I post online on WhatsApp today.
see learn this year too probably to not give of yourself to people who will not more of an accept I represent Belize. A pleasure she's largely
I'm flying out to Orlando tomorrow. I'm going to walk in Fashion Week.
I am a good people there. You go. I just know that long I am. Feel what you're going about. Proud of you, I'm very proud.
Yeah, we love each other.
Like that is some Belize and I like this, you know. Not some of them, you know. Some of because even if
Well, I hope
walk. Just this with you, I feel so. I wish everybody was like, don't want to color yourself. But be loving and embracing. Meeting you and girl rock the world. Jamaican, I tell you, rock for just that. But it was a wonderful. And you enjoy it. So you work hard for it. I love this. So go there. Also, so everybody's going back home. Come. Back home. These are my subscribers. I love them so much. But the next time when I come back, I was so glad with them. This was an honor and a pleasure to meet you, and I hope you guys do not dash me away. Safe flight, nothing but love. So they're going to check in for them flight, alright? So take care. Well, you know what I say again. It's a girl T-Mar. My friend them there we are reason we have a whole heap of things to talk about. He's very intellectual, very intelligent. So we could have a conversation. If never was a done said, we can answer the question them and then put me and make people blast me on the media. Go to school, get an education, be informative, get information. It is power and knowledge. So big up yourself. What's your name again? Luke, like the conversation. You don't need to watch a video, the full video. and see the interaction with a good representative of Belize so you can get knowledge. Now if you want nobody here, if you don't have 10 man at a phone problem, then have them to do with me. Anyways, we're then at the gift shop. So at the gift shop you can get a flask. Yeah, like the roommate people them. You know me, Jamaica, I'm a ratchet bad. So when I'll be going back to Jamaica, I'm going to make a dress with the Belizean flag and the Jamaican flag on the know. Big up Miss Universe of Belize. She can take on the whole world. Big up yourself right there. So remember I'm telling me a cheer for you. You can see please through all of the products, distribution, everything. And zoom up on them and people and see everything we have done. So when I fly go back to foreign, I want to fly go back to Jamaica. Please stop at Coastline. One stop shop. You get everything. T-shirt, cups, and magnets, stuff. Baby, rotate the camera and man, you have me attack and the people not see what I say. Sure. Can get a little gift back. Oh, this open?
Puzzle box.
Puzzle box? I'm hungry, I can't, but I'm not stress me out. On the Mayan pepper, Marisha pepper. Yeah, on the look, you understand? Yeah, man, and the bellies and flags. What is this?
Flag just big as that.
Okay, so, this is it. Only for $40. Okay, so $40 US.
Belize.
Belize?
Yeah.
Fine.